Kuhay ka sa fans mo. Oh, ito na, pauwi na kami guys. We are on a bus going to the plane. It will be a 8-hour flight to Abu Dhabi via Ethiad, and then it will be a 7-hour layover, and then a 7.5-hour flight from Abu Dhabi to Manila. So medyo mahaba-haba itong biyahe to. Tapos ang haba ng layover. So ang vlog natin today ay shopping in Abu Dhabi Airport. Kasi 7 hours kami dun. So sama na lang kayo. I'll also give you a look into business class of Ethiad, which is a nice plane, nice airline. So ito na tayo, our plane, Ethiad. So this is yung Ethiad Business Class seats. So parang may divider. Siyempre binaba na namin yung divider. Very nice seat. Meron siya parang duvet. This goes flat. Entertainment service. Tapos yeah, really spacious, really comfortable. Sobrang panalo. What it looks like from inside, oh, di ba? Social. Sneakers of the day natin. Saleh Benbury Crocs. Abu Dhabi Airport. Grabe guys, ang ganda oh. Looks like a super high-end mall, more than anything else. Here at the Ethiad Business Class Lounge, it has a lot of hotel feels, no babe? 3 floors, dude. 3 floors for a lounge. Saka nakita ng lounge na may floors. Di ba babe? May escalator siya. Escalator yung elevator siya guys. So akit kami ngayon, tapos punta kami sa shower area. So, hinahanap namin yung sleeping shower. Huh. Ganda oh. Tara babe. I think it's over here. I was talking to Mitch nga, parang if this is business class lounge, imagine what first class lounge would look like. Ito yung shower room. It's private. Obviously it's private. May beauty mirror thingy with lights. May USB charging port dito. Tapos may sofa pa na leather. You have your own sink, shower area, toilet of course, and kompleto. Grabe guys. Towel. Oh, panalo. Grabe. Hindi ko ramdam yung napakahaba namin layover. This is fun. So obviously we're back here in Manila, Philippines. To those who don't know, yung shoot na yon, yung in-upload ko ngayon, that was like a month ago. nung lumabas ako ng bansa for the World Championship of Flesh and Blood. Now today, meron tayong i-unbox na sapatos. This is the Nike Air Force 1 RTFKT, which is in collaboration with, sa pangalan nun, right? Murakami.
Well, it's a RTFKT yung kayang collaboration.
Oh, pero si Murakami
yung design ni Murakami.
Okay, yun. So this is a pair that is owned by my business partner and good friend, si attorney. That pala secret name.
Secret name.
Secret ang kanyang name. Pero sobrang sobrang fan ng NFTs and crypto space, and he wanted me to share this unboxing with you guys today. Now, before I show you the shoe, by the way, which sells for $1,200 right now on StockX. So mga 60 to 65,000 pesos. So I'm about to unbox a 60,000 peso Air Force 1 for you guys. Meron muna akong ikukwento tinyo tungkol sa saving with our sponsor for today's video, GoTime. Now, to those who don't know, GoTime Bank is one of the best digital banks that you can have on your smartphone. Now, if you want to save, all you guys have to do is to download the app and then open a GoSave account. What you need to do, una-una sa lahat, you can set a target. Sabihin natin, 100,000 pesos within a year. Pagkatapos nun, the app will automatically transfer from your main account to your GoSave account on a monthly basis or a weekly or whatever it is, so that eventually within that year, makukuha mo yung desired goal mo of saving. Meron din silang feature na Save the Change. Sabihin natin, nagbayad ka ng Meralco bill mo dun sa app. Yung barya na, for example, I don't know, 3 pesos, 5 pesos, 6 pesos, or 20 pesos, pwede mong i-click automatically, pupunta na yun sa GoSave account mo para madagdag na rin sa savings target ninyo for the year. So if you guys are looking to save more money so that you can, afford to have a better life, a healthier life, more fun life, make sure to check out yung GoTime Bank. All of the different features that it has, you can download it on your App Store or your Google Play today. Okay, so going back to the sneaker, ito yung box niya. Kitang-kita nyo naman, medyo futuristic. Dito siya sa gilid binubuksan. Again, this is the 60,000 peso, $1,200 sneaker. Ayaw mo pabukas, Raya. Yan. Okay, wow. Dust bag pa lang, ang landinaw. Tingnan nyo. So, textured siya na material. May QR code dito na hindi ko alam anong ginagawa. Meron siyang strap that you can use. So, you can actually use it as a bag or if you want to bring your sneakers around. Nakalagay dito, Clone X RTFKT. Ganda ng pagkagawa, oh. Ganda. Tapos may parang futuristic, weird color siya. And then if you open it, unmistakably, nakita ko na to online eh, unmistakably Murakami. Yun, oh. Di ba? So, very familiar naman, I think, to most of you guys who are watching today, the signature art style of Murakami. You have the flowers, you have the smiley face, you have the burst of color that's really striking and just grabs your attention. And napakaganda niyang sapatos, you know, Clone X nakalagay sa likod. Then you have the design, you have that shiny leather swoosh on both the medial side. Hindi, pagdating dito, ito yung logo.
Logo ng RTFKT.
Oo, hindi iba. So Nike sa kabila, tapos ito yung sa kabila. Tapos ang cute na nila, oh. Ano tawag dito? May tawag dito eh. Dubre. Nakalagay, oh, Clone X. Tapos para siyang, I don't know, mechanical thing. Diba? Tapos yun, nakalagay sa likod, Clone X. Tapos naka siya embroider. So this sneaker is super limited. I think there are, mga 3,000 plus, no?
This is one of two designs na
Murakami. Na Murakami. Tapos each design
pero
is
mas
around
mahal to.
3,000.
Yes.
Ganun ba yun? So, napaka-limited niya. And if you are an NFT fan, I think this is one of the sneakers that you'd want to get. Kasi you can only get this if you minted the NFT.
Yes.
Or you wait until the aftermarket and then you buy it right now. Sabihin natin sa StockX. Or if you want to buy this pair, I think they're selling this at Box Green Hills for 50,000 pesos. So it's 10,000 pesos less or 12,000, 15,000 pesos less than how much you would get it on StockX. So if you guys want a pair, something like this that's super limited, extremely rare to pick up without having to buy the NFT and you just want a shoe, you can actually get it today here at Box Green Hills. Magkano? 1,000, 5,000?
50.
50.
Just size 9.
50,000 pesos, size 9. So, yun yung gusto ko i-unbox for you guys. It's the New Year's, and I just want to, gusto ko lang talaga ihabol at i-upload yung video na to. Kasi nga, I didn't want to end the year without uploading one more video. At least, nahabol ko yung last part nung biyahe ko sa Barcelona at saka Switzerland. Nakita nyo naman yung nangyari dun sa Abu Dhabi. Napakagandang, business class lounge. Napakagandang flight at business class experience. So I highly recommend them as well. So with that said, I just want to wish everyone watching today a very happy new year. I hope that your 2023 was meaningful and at least kahit paano things got better. Kung hindi, then let's all hope that 2024 for you will be a much better year. And for those who are excited for 2024, sugod lang. Alam naman natin na there is no year that comes without any challenges. And definitely, 2024 will have it's very unique set of challenges. Actually, magandang next vlog yun eh. Kung ano yung feeling ko magiging challenges ng 2024. Hindi kasi may Ukraine. Parang yung balita kanina, binomba ng Ukraine yung Russia. Tapos yung Russia, binomba yung Ukraine. Tapos may problema pa tayo dun sa nangyayari sa Israel tsaka sa Palestine. So, hindi mo na pwede tingnan yung problema mo dito lang sa Pilipinas eh. Tapos si China pa ngayon. Di ba? Sobrang aggressive. Tapos lumabas pa yung balita na may mga bilyonaryo nagpapagawa ng mga nuclear bunker sa Hawaii. So, ibig sabihin, may alam sila na hindi natin alam. Oh my God. So,
dito, katnyal pa rin yun.
Dito, katnyal pa rin ang problema natin. Kaya ang Pilipino, happy lang talaga. But anyway, so abangan nyo yung gagawa ko ng vlog. Parang ano ba yung nakakatakot sa 2024 and how we should manage it. Kasi, I think yung anxiety levels for next year will be very different because it will be global in nature. Tama ba yun, Ray?
Wag naman sana yung pa rin ng 2020.
Wag naman
malakubin.
Wag naman. So anyway, on that note, pangit naman nun. Happy New Year! I hope you guys are all healthy. Huwag kayo magpaputok, baka maputulan kayo ng daliri. Okay? Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom!